Do you want me to talk looking
Talk to me.
to you?
Yep,
Okay.
just a conversation between the two of us.
Okay.
This is your first time being interviewed?
Yeah.
This is gonna be great then.
Cummins makes engines, mainly diesel engines, and then we also make electrified engines as well as components that go in there. So filters, turbos. We also make power generators, and that's like the core business of what we do. For over 6 years, we had a service that was very small and that did very, minimal translations. I was looking for someone and a team of people that could commit to dream with me and to take those dreams into a reality, to make those ideas that at the time I didn't have the data to support with, but I knew were the right thing. Have a company that had the data, that had the experience, that had the bandwidth to build that and co-create with me. I see the parallels between Cummins and TransPerfect mission, and I think that is why we work so well, because at the end of the day, their customer service is first. They helped us understand concepts like translation memory, and how the use of that translation memory was creating savings for the company. If I can make sure that from the total translations that the company is performing in a year, and I can bring up savings that go up to 22%, that immediately represents money that we can invest in research, development, new technologies that we can use better, and that definitely are going to help us at the end grow as a company, as a business, and individuals. I think that you persuade someone when you understand what they want. You don't commit to more than what you can do, but you engage in growing in an honest way.
And TransPerfect persuaded you?
TransPerfect persuaded me. Soy Alex Fredman, soy líder de proyectos para Cummins y utilizamos TransPerfect.
Thank you so much.
Awesome.
You did your first interview? You did a great job?
I'm so ready. Fame.
Yeah, you're ready.
Fame, here I come.